In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Evernote from automatically generating a daily journal entry each day. Evernote is a powerful tool for organizing your thoughts, but sometimes the daily notes feature may not be what you're looking for. Whether you're simplifying your organization methods or simply trying to minimize clutter, this guide will help you easily manage that setting. First, you'll need to open Evernote on your device. Once Evernote is up and running, head over to the Settings section. You can usually find this by looking for a gear icon, which typically symbolizes settings or preferences in many apps. Give that a click to proceed. Once you're in the settings, look for an option labeled Preferences. Within the Preferences menu, you'll see various options for customizing how Evernote works for you. Our focus here is on managing templates, so scroll until you find the section titled Templates. In this area, you're going to pay particular attention to the option that says, Automatically create a note each day. You'll notice there's a checkbox next to this option. If you're seeing a daily journal entry generated by Evernote, this checkbox is likely ticked. To disable the Daily Notes feature, simply uncheck this box. This small action will stop Evernote from automatically creating a note every day, leaving you with a cleaner, more streamlined experience. Now, for those of you who are still interested in using the Daily Notes feature but would like some changes, Evernote allows for customization. If you prefer a different template for your daily notes, you can select one from the Daily Note Template drop-down menu. This enables you to personalize how your daily notes appear, making sure they suit your unique style and needs. Another customizable feature you might find useful is the ability to specify where these daily notes are saved. You can choose exactly which notebook you'd like the daily notes to appear in by using the Place Notes in drop-down menu. Selecting the right notebook ensures that your notes are organized exactly the way you like it, whether for easy access or for keeping different areas of your life neatly siloed. And there you have it. By making these few adjustments, you're in control of how and if Evernote manages your daily notes. This flexibility is one of many reasons why Evernote is such a favored tool among those who need to keep their digital life organized. Hopefully, this guide has made it easier for you to tailor your Evernote experience to better fit your needs. Goodbye, automatic daily clutter, and welcome to a more curated, intentional note-keeping experience.